Hi everybody, another video by MTech Pro. Although we're a few good months away from seeing the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus for ourselves, we know they're coming. There's already rumors floating around about Samsung's next crop of high-end smartphones. With this in mind, it's safe to assume that the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus will be more of an evolution, a refinement, of the S8 design, rather than a drastic departure. Samsung may shave off a bit of the top bezel and even completely remove the one on the bottom, but that's about it. We've gone to the point where incremental upgrades and changes in smartphone design and hardware are becoming so slow and expensive that you can't really expect a revolution with every generation. In fact, forget about the displays of the S9 and S9 Plus, because they'll just be next general infinity displays with an 18.59 infinity display AMOLED panels with a QHD plus resolution of 1440x2960, and processor Exynos 9810 or Snapdragon 845. The camera of Samsung may have shunned away from implementing a dual camera setup on either the Galaxy S8 or the S8 Plus, but this won't be the case next year with the S9 and S9 Plus. Although we can't know for sure whether both models will be blessed with two cameras, there's a good chance that Samsung may want to reserve it for the S9 Plus only. It's a relatively safe bet that at least one of them is getting a second main camera. And while the top bezel is likely not going anywhere for the S9 and S9 Plus, although it could be slimmed down a bit, the bottom bezel might be on its way out. Nothing is known for certain at this point. But seeing as how the front-facing fingerprint scanner isn't coming back, the bottom bezel has no functional purpose, at least in its current, almost non-existent form. And from a patent filed by the South Korean company in its home country suggests the next general Galaxy S series of devices may come with a fingerprint sensor on the front. That mean in the screen, and this would be amazing if Samsung do this. But the latest rumor on the block is coming from China, as an insider is kind of reaffirming the gossip that Samsung will be introducing some changes to the rear side of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. That's largely because of the vocal criticism of the fingerprint sensor positioning on the Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, and even the Note 8, too high and too offset to float the boat of many a user. It's even safe to say that this could easily be the biggest complaint about the S8 and the S8 Plus, which are otherwise largely well accepted by consumers and the tech blogosphere alike. And we heard through the grapevine that Samsung could be rushing things up and potentially unveil the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus earlier next year, so as to better compete with the recent crop of iPhones and all other high-end devices that want a piece of the lucrative. Thanks for watching everybody. Don't forget like and subscribe, share it if you liked.